Hey guys, Kevin Swaney here. We are making our Moroso pump plates today. These are made out of 6061 aluminum, and we're going to show you how we make them today. Hopefully we don't crash any tools. Those always make for good videos. Here we go. Alright guys, that is the end of step one. That process right there takes us about 23 minutes. And it's on to the next one. I'll show you step two here shortly. Alright guys, on to step two of our machining process for our Moroso vacuum pump plates. This is what we got from step one. Did a little deburr on the back side here. So what we do now is we bolt that thing down securely to the fixture plate and run step two. Takes about 9 minutes 26 seconds. So we'll get that process underway and you'll see what we get when we're done. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, well there you have it. After about 9 minutes, let's verify that. Yep, 9 minutes, 9 seconds. We have a completed piece. Alright guys, only 25 more to go. Shouldn't take too long though, at 10 minutes apiece. Thanks for watching. See you next time.